Screenwriting course. Basics of formatting and structuring a screenplay. What you will learn from this course. Scene heading, action lines, slug lines, dialogue, fonts, margins, spacing, parentheticals, character extensions, technical marker, transitions, scenes, montages, series of shots, subtext, screenplay structure, Act 1, Act 2, Act 3, pacing, suspense, rewriting, what to do with your finished story. In this course, we are going to talk about all these things listed here and how to format them in your screenplay. We're also going to talk about the 3-act structure and how to use it to structure your screenplay. I promise it's going to be a very interesting course. So sit back, let's begin. Thank you.